Alright everybody, we are here to commemorate the launch of Digimon
card game. Oh, Digimon the card game.
Pretty sure they had a Digimon game forever ago. Bandai's bringing it back. So Jessica said, I'm a sucker. I said, yeah, I guess I'll be half a sucker today.
It's the super pre-release. It doesn't even officially release until January. But they had a super pre-release for Black Friday.
So, what we had to say is be sure to pop into Battlegrounds if you're here in the Northwest Georgia area or the surrounding area. Pop into Battlegrounds.
Games and Comics.
Games and Comics here in Dalton. Ask about it, and Cody will tell you more.
Yeah.
But as far as we know, the rest of the game is coming out in January.
Yes. They came out with 3 starter decks.
Yep. But we should probably just go ahead and jump into it since it's going to be a bunch of booster packs. We can talk while we're going, but yeah, this is the booster box thing. 24
packs, and there's 12 cards in each box.
So if you feel like doing math, that's a lot of cards.
I guess that'll be okay, right?
Probably.
You want to go and show off these or no?
You can
not open
hint at them.
Oh.
Packs.
Yeah, for buying a booster box. You also get one in. Well, this is a special box promotion pack that you only get if you buy a booster box.
Does that count towards the 24?
I don't know.
Technically 25.
I think there's 24 plus this.
Wow.
Box promotion. Each box contains 1 alternative art card plus 1 special box promotion pack.
All right, well, let's get into this.
And then there's the art card.
Our art was Ty.
There we go. Okay, here we go. I'm excited.
Yeah, me too.
Ooh, we opened some booster packs earlier. We didn't get one of these.
No.
I like this one.
So here's 6.
From what we heard, you're supposed to be able to get
secrets.
At least 1 secret rare per box, but we know someone who didn't.
So if y'all open these, make sure to go to Battlegrounds and show your secrets to Cody.
Yes, show them to Cody. Because he somehow did not get one.
Right. Okay, somehow I grabbed... Thank you.
Yeah.
Cool.
So yeah, I didn't think that other thing counted.
Right.
I don't know. I guess after every couple ones then, if you don't want to do...
Alright, we'll just get a feel for it. We'll just start going and get a feel for it.
So we didn't get one of these earlier. So I want to open one of those. I'm just going to show the back. 187 types in total. 69 commons. 50 uncommons. 45 rares. 20 super rares. And 3 secret rares.
We have one of the 3.
We have one. Maybe we can get the other 2.
Maybe we can.
We will see.
We opened booster packs today earlier, and we got one of the secret rares.
Yeah. Let me show that off.
I'll go find it.
How should I... Am I supposed to open this?
Just open it how you can.
Okay.
We don't need to be dilly-dallying.
Okay.
We'll buy some booster packs to leave unopened or something.
Okay.
Let's see.
Here we go.
Where's that bag? Are you breaking stuff?
Whoopsie. There's an easel.
I know, I can tell. I can hear it smashing.
Well, you're supposed to open it somehow like that because there's a little thingy there.
A little tear tab?
Yeah, there's a little tear tab, but that little tear tab didn't work too well.
Didn't work for you, huh?
Okay, so I don't know what these things are, but it seems like you get one in every pack, either player 1 or player 2. I don't know what they are yet.
They might be the scoreboard kind of thing.
I guess so. It looks like they must connect too with player 1 and player 2. I don't know because it cuts off right there.
We haven't got to play the game yet.
But yeah, and this just lists like all the cards. All of them. Well, not all of them. I noticed some of them do not. Because there's like 187 cards. Okay, here we go.
Oh, we're going to have half the set by tonight.
I know.
Nuclear laser. That doesn't sound like a Digimon.
Nuclear laser.
It's Nuclear Lasermon.
How would you say that? Caesarmon? I don't know.
Probably. Caesar.
Scissor. Leomon.
Nice.
Not bad, not bad. Spiral Sword.
Yeah, we gotta figure out what all these options
I know.
are. There's so
we don't
many
know
options.
anything yet. Frigimon or Frigimon.
Yeah, probably Frigimon.
Like frigid. It's cute.
You made him like going through some teenager angst kind of stuff.
Monodramon or Monodramon.
Yeah.
Who I don't know how to say these names.
Yeah, we don't speak Japanese.
Gorillamon.
Ooh.
He looks
got,
pretty
like,
cool.
A cannon for an arm.
He's blue, so.
What is he, Justin Herbert? Am I right?
Oh my goodness. I chose a red deck.
You did choose the red deck, and I chose the blue deck.
This is uncommon.
Kawabagamon.
Kuagamon.
Imagine like Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle Digimon.
Here is a rare. I know. Oh, that's weird. Radiation Blade. So it seems like so each booster pack has either 2 rares, or 1 rare, 1 super rare, or 1 rare and 1 secret rare. So let's see.
Most likely.
Ready?
Here we go. That looks like a common.
Oh, uncommon.
You got an uncommon.
Never mind.
So much
oh wait, it's behind. It's behind it.
Okay, so there's the hope's still alive.
Yeah, let's go. What? This is mega.
Hype.
Something.
We already had one of those. Was it a rare?
A rare.
Infernamon.
It looks cool. Infernmon.
Okay.
So this is black, and this is what people have been calling purple decks.
Or no, purple is what they were calling black deck.
Oh, okay. Well, either way, the black decks look interesting.
We'll see, man.
Oh, there was another one.
There's another one? What is it? Rare?
Puppetmon. Yeah. No. I think I had 3 rares.
You had 3 rares.
Wow. Let me make sure. Let me just zoom in on this. Well, maybe.
You know, I could just look at it for you if that makes it easier. That is a rare.
Yeah, rare. That's a rare. And then, where'd my other one go? Maybe oh no, I guess this was uncommon. My bad. Look.
You thought the Radiant Blade was your rare?
But earlier I thought the rares were back to back. But this time they weren't. Either way. Pretty cool. I like them. The rares are pretty cool too. I like that they're kind of foil.
Yeah, they got like an outline to them or something.
Okay. So that was pack number 1.
Why don't you give us another pack?
Alrighty.
Gain 2 memory. I'm wondering if like the 0 through 10 or whatever is the memory they're talking about.
Yeah. Okay.
You're opening the second pack. The timer ran out.
Let's see. Again, here's a player 1 of those.
Dude, I have no idea what secret we pulled earlier.
It started with a B. Okay, Sukemon? I don't know. Sue or Sukemon?
Bezelmon, that was what we pulled.
Yeah, I think so.
Bezelmon.
Padme. Pagumon? Ugh, I can't grab it.
What's next?
Muchomon.
We had that one.
Atomic Ray.
I assume we've had most of these by now.
Ooh, Dolphmon. This is the only reason I'd want to have blue.
It's for a dolphin.
Yeah. Impmon.
Okay, yeah. We've had a couple that we haven't had, actually.
Kabuterimon.
Kabuteri. Ooh.
Devimon. He looks cool.
He does look kind of cool.
Palmon.
If that's the one from the show, that's pretty cool.
Oh gosh, I'm trying not to do spoilers.
River
of Power. Oh my gosh. I know.
Hey, it's the Triforce.
Shield of Just.
Shield
this
of
is
the
a rare.
Just.
Oh, sorry. Shield of the Just. And ooh, Omnimon, which is a super rare.
Super rare.
Is this who we got earlier?
I don't know.
Remember, I pulled a super rare.
You pulled.
Is it this?
Yeah, I already pulled it off to the side.
So no.
Diaboron.
Pretty cool.
Alright, let's keep this party train going. What's next? I'm going to start tearing my tabs open so that when it's my turn.
Ooh, that's a good idea. Maybe I'll do that. Okay. Pack number 3.
We went ahead and opened a good bit of them just to kind of speed it up.
But not look at them.
No, we haven't looked.
So let's see here.
Ooh,
Agumon.
That's a different Agumon. We pulled an Agumon earlier.
Yeah.
Plus we got
so
the one from the
Agumon.
deck.
Gravity Crush. Dark Tyrannomon.
Tyrannomon.
Can you see? It's blurry.
The brand new Digimon. Mon.
Repamon.
Ooh, I haven't seen that one.
Looks cool. Kudamon.
I want to say we had that one
I think
earlier.
so.
Numemon. He reminds me of the OG tokens or whatever from Yu-Gi-Oh.
Yeah. Oh, I know what you're talking about. Yeah. Hornbuster.
Cool. Oh, I took this out of its pack. Oops.
That's gotta be your next one.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that'll be the first one I open.
Taperon. Oh, how cute.
Wayne.
Wanyamon.
Yeah.
Wanyamon. It's cute.
We had that guy.
Boltmon.
But he is pretty cool. He just looks like a person. It's kind of weird.
Ooh. Metal Seadramon.
I'm pretty sure Seadra is Pokemon.
That's the rare.
Ty.
And Ty. That's pretty cool since I'm going to be playing the red deck.
Yeah, second tamer.
And he is rare as well.
So that's your pack?
Yep.
Alright. One of these days we won't be ghetto, but then again we wouldn't be us if we weren't ghetto. So there's no Digimon online.
Yeah, that's true.
For us to use our, like there's no online codes or anything like that. Alright. Am I going to cast too much of a shadow here? Maybe. Alright. So first up is Spiral Sword. Dark Tyrannomon, which you had.
Yeah.
Fridge Mom. An option, Blast Fire. Blast Processing. Okawamon. I'm just going to say them like I know what I'm talking about. Chewmon. Leomon. Weregarurumon. Spider Shooter. That's a pretty one. Libramon. Yeah, I was gonna say I'm gonna get busted.
Camilla?
Yeah. Name's not gonna be my strong suit. This is my rare Yokamon.
Aw, that's cute.
Alright, let's grab another one of these bad boys. Not gonna lie, that pack kinda sucks! I mean, how would we know? This isn't on TCG Player yet. Wow, this is just my common? That's crazy looking.
That's pretty cool.
Right? Volcanic Dramon.
I like that one.
That's just their that's just their name for dragon. It's just Dramon. Why not? Night Raid. Aren't we all? Gardramon. Pumpkinmon. The Great Tornado. How do you say his name again? Galmon? Something Mon. Kakuamon. Cherrymon. Groundramon. Devidramon. Togemon. I remember him from the show. Kawamon.
Oh, you didn't take that.
Gonna be honest, these packs are letting me down. Not even a super rare so far. How are people gonna think we rigged our packs if our packs just suck?
I had one super rare.
You did have one. Good for you.
Thanks.
I'm very happy for you. My commons have looked cool though.
They have.
Heat Viper. Ooh, Greymon. Will take. And a Goblimon. You just have to take my word for it. The Golden Ripper. Andromon. He's interesting looking.
Okay.
Blast Fire. Blast Processing. Alright. Garurumon. Tinkermon.
pulled that for
Come on. Sirenmon. We're just putting words in front of these now. Kairamon. Where are the good cards? No. I'm going to do one more.
Okay.
I'm getting a little disheartened here.
Give me all the good packs.
It's feeling that way. Oh, let me just punch the camera real quick.
That's how mad he is.
Metal Greymon. Again, that's a common. That's pretty cool. Pumpkinmon. Smashed Potatoes. I love that band. Okawamon. Gomamon. It's been a minute since I've seen the show. Gabamon. Mushroommon. That one is literally just Mushroommon. River of Power. Magnadramon.
What was that?
I don't know.
Was that just common? Or rare? Or...
Uncommon.
Okay.
Metal Greymon. Mad Dog Fight.
Ooh.
This is just super rare, but I will take it. Metal Ungaramon. Alright, at least we got to end kind of on a high note. We're going to switch places again. Jessica, you will be up.
Okay, next pack.
We rolling, huh?
Yeah.
Like a movie.
Okay, I open this and still can't get it. Yeah. Okay.
So much for time savers.
Go on, taking this down. Okay. Let's make sure.
Impamon. He's
Impamon.
back.
I don't know how you do this so quick. Vegemon.
Probably helps my arms are a little longer.
Blade of the True.
Blade of True. Mushroomon.
Mushroomon. Boring Storm.
Boring Storm. Aren't they all?
Sukeimon. Sukeimon. Frigimon again.
Okay, we got all the fridges.
Devimon. Interesting.
Cool looking.
Ah! Hi, Andromon.
That's Robot Cop. Robocop, I mean Robot Cop.
Breakdramon.
Breakdown Dramon.
Raremon.
Oh, that's straight up, isn't it?
Yeah.
What's next?
That's funny.
Secret Raremon.
And Shield of the Just. I got 2 of those.
That was your rare?
Yeah. I think that was my rare and another one too.
Foil art around it,
Yeah.
I guess. Whatever they're calling that these days.
Yeah. Okay. Let me get another one.
Alright, so should we ask people like childhood memories with Digimon?
Yeah.
Are you happy Digimon's back? Why is the answer yes? You know. I'm pumped that Digimon is back.
Blade of the True. I think you pulled that. Lilymon. Or sorry, Lylemon.
Okay, that's cool.
V Nova Blast.
Mon.
Tyrannomon. Metal Tyrannomon.
That is stacked. I just
Vilemon. Gardromon.
Yeah, we had that guy.
Megadramon. Petermon.
Okay, that's just a person. What in the world?
Tentomon.
Okay.
He doesn't even have tentacles or anything.
No, he doesn't.
And Yawmon.
We pulled that one earlier. That was one of my rares.
I know, it's just funny.
Yeah, Mom.
Yawmon. And super rare Garudamon.
Garu. See, the problem is with us, we try to
cool, though.
pronounce every single syllable, so if we just said it really quick, no one would question it. But
yeah.
Garudramon.
So I've had 2 super rares.
Yeah, you're probably beating me in that category.
You gave me all of those.
I'd interrupted in the middle of my joke.
I know, just say it again.
Oh, it's not my fault you pulled out a scale and started weighing them.
My goodness. Alrighty.
Dimension Scissors!
Just let you
What
start.
in the world is
I
that?
don't even know. Sukeimon.
I'm a little
Ah!
not caught up.
Ah! Ogremon.
That's just naming straight up.
Digitalmon.
Eggmon! Digimon, yeah.
Gravity Crush.
We've had that like 7 times. You start to tell what the commons are.
Agumon.
That thing is just,
It's Legos.
The thing is just Legos.
It's Legos. Wizardmon.
Alright, that is just a person.
Labramon.
This is Dogmon.
Titamon.
This is Vinehairmon.
We got another Wanyamon.
Catmon.
Joe Keto.
Joe. Good old Joe.
That is a rare. And another super rare.
Machine Dramon.
Dramon.
This is aka Machine Dragon.
So, what is that? Third?
I don't
super
care
or third
anymore.
Or
I don't.
You're not keeping count anymore?
No. I'm gonna be like, alright guys, this is my rare, and it's just gonna be a common, and I'm like, alright. Do one more.
Okay. And then I'll have, oh, I still have 4 left. No, 5 after this one. Jeez.
Okay.
I forgot there were 24.
Yeah, there's a good bit of these stinkers. Can't wait till we can trade them all in.
We're not trading them all in.
Yeah, we'll keep the bad stuff.
Kabuterimon. Kind of looks cool. Hearts Attack.
Excuse me?
Hearts Attack.
Trash all Digimons.
Whoa. Metal Greymon. Pumpkinmon. Great Tornado.
Aren't they all?
Agumon Expert. Didn't
Yeah,
you get
we
this
pulled
earlier?
that one earlier.
Kabuterimon.
Okay.
Cute.
The owl.
Mega Kabuterimon.
Perfect. Nailed it.
Radiation Blade. Slash and Angumon.
That's cool. I pulled the Angel
Whoops,
Man.
my bad.
I pulled the Angel Man earlier.
Cerebus.
Like,
Cerber.
yeah, sure. Go with it.
Cerberusmon. Cerberus.
Yeah.
Cerebrus? No.
Cerebrus. Sure, just call
Cerberus.
it whatever. It doesn't matter.
Cerberusmon.
It's not like it's gonna hear you.
And Ty.
Darn it, Ty!
Is this like our 3rd or 4th tie?
They've all been different though, because that's black instead of red.
That's interesting.
Alright, we'll switch. We'll make fun of my packs for a couple minutes, and then you'll round us out. And
Okay,
I'll...
wait, just a second.
Alright, crew. Let's do this thing. Got all my packs opened up now. Ooh.
How many got left?
I don't know. 9, I guess. Alright, get me going. This is Armadillomon. Hearts Attack.
Yeah.
Just in case you didn't believe us. Pixiemon, because why not?
Oh, no.
Chickenmon. Cat with a helmet, Mon.
Chewmon.
Okay, Chuck E. Cheese right there. Repamon. Devimon. Cherrymon. Back for revenge. These packs are, I tell you. Togemon. That's a rare.
Ooh.
And super rare. Okay. Piedmon maybe. He was in a Digimon movie I had.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So in other words, I'm kind of happy about this one.
That's good.
I'll have to show you the movie.
Cool.
Yeah, he is. I used to have like 2 Digimon movies as a kid. Maybe more. I don't know.
Was that your first secret? I mean, super rare?
That was my second.
Second, okay.
Jerk.
We still hopefully have a secret rare somewhere.
Somewhere, but we're only down to like 13 left or something like that. Okay, Muchamon, Atomic Ray, Elecmon, Agumon. Okay, we'll take the Agumon. Kudamon, Boring Storm, Baby Dragon, let's be real. Hi, Andromon. Chris, that's just good old Chris. War Golem, or War Growlmon, that's a rare. Millenniummon. Oh, I thought there was something behind it.
That super rare?
Super. I just keep staring at it. Like if I look hard enough, it'll be a secret rare, but that's not how cards work.
know.
So I'm gonna stop looking at it. All right, let's churn through this bad boy. Okay, we'll take. We got a Gobble Up Mon. We got a V Nova Blast. Tyrannomon. Moondragon. Yeah, we all know what he's saying. Hornbuster. Suitcase Mon. Titamon. Gotsumon. Pretty sure she's from the show. Ooh. Sumimon.
Ooh.
And, oh, look, I found all my secret rares.
Super rares?
Super rares, I mean.
I think you might have beat me now.
I'll do one more.
Okay.
I think all three of those had a super rare in it.
Possibly.
So I think it's 4-3.
Might be.
It might be. The heck? Okay, well, I kind of got spoilers for this pack. It's going to suck. I know. Scissormon. Smashed potatoes. Garurumon. Charmeleon. Kadramon. Wizardmon. That's just a person. Heart's Attack. Back for Revenge. Jagamon. He looks like the smashed potatoes. Chris.
Ooh.
Kiramon. Kamar. Okay, dude. And Upamon. So that is my pack.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah. Okay.
All right, guys. This is home stretch. I think. Do you want to open your super secret special pack after you finish this, or you want us to get up and do musical chairs one more time?
It doesn't matter.
All right, we'll go. We'll get a feel for it.
Gorillamon.
Oh, I love Gorillamon.
Gardramon.
Another classic.
Whoop. Dolphmon. I like that. I've gotten both of
Dolphlundgren.
them. Leomon. Whoop. V Nova Blast. Garurumon. Whoops. Toy Agumon again.
Well, you guys can count on us and never learn how to say them.
Bergermon.
That's
I like
Moltres.
Bergermon.
Yeah, Moltres. Glad he's in the game.
Darkness Claw. Gosh.
Oops.
Spoilers.
It's like you forgot how to do
Oh my,
this.
I can't get it apart. Tentramon.
Oh, and you were going to skip him?
Yawmon.
Yawmon. Is your rare, right?
Yeah. And Agumon.
The other Agumon.
And then I forgot to take that
Well,
off.
that pack wasn't horrible. 'Cause
Yeah.
It's got an Agumon in it.
Yeah.
Agumons are sweet. I wonder if Agumons will be worth anything.
I don't know. I would think so.
But who knows, right?
Right.
What's
Okay.
next?
Let's see here.
Oh, you cut me off when I was talking about like favorite Digimon
Oh,
memory
sorry,
and
go
stuff
ahead.
Like that. Well, you might as well go.
Yeah, what's your favorite Digimon memory, though?
Thanks, Jessica.
What's theirs? Spiral Sword.
Sword.
Andromon.
The other RoboCop.
Forbidden Temptation.
What isn't?
Kokuwamon.
Kokokowan?
Heat Viper. Monodramon.
Oh, no, we had him.
Oh.
I was gonna say if there were any cards we haven't had.
Looking back on the good times.
Back, like, at the first pack. That was a new card, though.
Yeah. Petermon.
That's
We've
just
had
a
him before.
person.
Leomon.
Oh, dope. I
It
love
is cool.
Leomon.
Sumemon.
Sumimon.
Trump Sword. Okay, okay. The last two
Interesting
packs haven't
timing
been
there. Where's
great.
the Biden sword, huh?
Oh my gosh.
You're right. Those last two were not great.
It's like all my others were good, and then now you've had the good ones.
Right, that's what I'm saying. You're looking
We've
back on the good
switched.
times.
Yeah.
All right, good whammies, good whammies.
Got 3 left.
Plus the sweet one, right?
Yeah.
Sweet one better have a secret.
The one that came in the box.
I mean,
Yeah.
we got some cool packs.
We're
though.
still expecting a secret rare sometime, too.
I know. I mean, leave it to us. We pulled
Kabuterimon.
one in the booster packs.
I know. Forbidden Temptation. Digimon. Garurumon. Night Raid.
Some of these just make you feel silly.
Monzaemon.
Oh, we have
That's
that
a
one?
new one. I think
That's
it's a
what I
new
was
one.
thinking.
He looks like Heart's Attack.
Yeah.
Agumon Expert. We got him
What a
for
silly card.
Gatsumon. Whoops.
Woodmon.
Woodmon.
Just Woodmon.
Yeah.
Nice.
Garurumon. Skull Greymon.
Nice.
Okay, I like it.
Is that the rare?
That is the rare. And then Joe
Joe.
Keto again. Okay.
Not the worst.
Yeah, not the worst.
I don't know. That might have been the worst, but it was okay.
Two more.
There were some cool cards in it.
I just hope one of us gets the secret rare.
I know we got to pay for this box somehow.
Tell Cody it's all his fault.
I know we passed his bad luck on us.
Greymon.
Greymon's always welcome.
Heat Viper. Andromon.
Robocop.
Ogremon. Some of these are repeats. Dimension Scissor. Leomon. Agumon.
Like all of them are repeats. Yeah, that's cool.
I know. Kuagamon. Monmon.
Mon.
That might be new. I don't know. Karusiaribon.
It's almost like if we had had Mon before, we would have made fun of it.
I know. Sora. I'm not going to try to say the last name.
Takanuichi,
but-
you're not going to try that?
And Gabumon.
Alternative
Okay,
what?
I'll take it.
Gabumon?
Take it.
Actually, I'll take it because I think it's in my deck.
I know, but Gobble, whatever. He was the only one I knew of
Gobble.
before that.
Yeah, I just don't know how you feel comfortable admitting you didn't know Agumon.
Okay, last one. Is there a secret rare?
And the booster pack whispered back, no.
No.
I'm not feeling it.
I
man.
hope, at least for a super rare. How many super rares are there supposed to be again?
50 or 40 or 3 or 10.
20 super rares.
That's what I said.
3 secret rares.
Right, yeah, that's what I meant.
No, you didn't. Here we go.
Oh, he's back now.
Monzaemon.
He's making up for lost time.
Yeah. Agumon Expert again.
What a great card.
Vegemon.
Whirr.
Forbidden Temptation. Lots of repeats now.
Yeah,
Sukemon.
we've basically seen the whole set.
Gorillamon. Loader Leomon.
Okay, I take
That
it
one's
back.
new. Myotismon. I think that one might
one
be
looks
new.
dope. Yeah,
It does.
definitely new.
Whoop.
Technically, they're all new.
Kyromon.
Nice.
Metal Tyrannomon.
Okay.
Pretty cool.
And that secret kid.
Izzy Izumi.
All right, it's up to me.
Oh my
There's a lot of pressure on me.
gosh. I
There's a
can't
lot of
believe
pressure.
it.
I can't let the squad down.
I know. You better have it.
Did we keep the receipt?
It's too late now.
What do you mean?
Too
Maybe they'll
late
give us
now.
store credit for it.
Okay. If you don't have that secret rare, I don't know. What?
Then we take all our cards, we open the door, and we throw them at them.
Yes.
All right, guys.
I demand a refund. Okay.
No, a recount.
Oh.
I demand a recount.
Okay.
All right. Now we do still have the cool packs, so it's not all doom and gloom if we don't get this.
We
But
have
it is pretty
hashtags, so-
it is pretty doomy and it is kind of gloomy. But it's not all doom and gloom. I didn't open these packs all the way up. So let's all right. Have you ever been on the rooftop with old Saint Nick?
No.
Metal Greymon, I'm getting sick of seeing your face. I never thought I would say that. Toy Agumon, burping up his Legos. Alright, let's go. We've seen these guys a million times. We'll see them a million more. Alright.
He might be new.
Lemon. Yeah, Saber Lemon, sorry. Garurumon. Another Metal Greymon. Here's our rare, the Kimmy Schmidt. And another Piedmon.
Nice.
Piedmon, Piedmon.
Nice.
I think it's Piedmon. It's been forever since I've seen it. All right. So I like those rares we're getting, but I need the
Where's our secret?
It's a secret. Shh. It's a secret to everyone. There's your reference. Okay. Let's take our boy here. Haguramon. Clean clack, let's be real. That one was new though. Great Tornado. Impmon. The Dolphin. We got the 3 company. Oblivion Bird. Charmeleon. Good to see you, friend. Leomon. Jagamon. Flower Cannon. That's our rare. Who cares? I just call her not a secret rare.
Oh man.
I know.
Only 2 left.
This is terrible. Here we go. Gravity Crush. That's what I like to see at the start of every booster pack. Piximon, Oblivion Bird. That was cool last booster pack. You were cool last booster pack. Now you are just copycats. Gabumon all day. Nuclear Laser. Growlmon. That's kind of cool. Fremon. These are actually some new cards, right?
I think so.
We've had Mega Dragon before, though. Gabumon. Don't get too excited. War Greymon. So this is super rare.
Super rare? Okay,
Super
last
rare.
one. If it's not here, we didn't get one.
Then you grabbed a bad box. Thanks.
Whew.
There's a lot of pressure on this.
Let's hope it's here.
I know. Alright, here we go. Boring Storm. That's what the last 40 minutes of this has been. Goblinmon. Vilemon. I think that's new.
Vilemon is not.
Repamon. You said it's not?
No, I'll go with it.
Oh, okay. Armadillo. Digiegg. That's new, isn't it? I remember this
think
monkey from the show, I'm pretty sure. Tinkermon. Woodmon.
Wow.
I mean, it's fitting that those two were together.
Or did we just look over it?
No, I don't think we got one.
Oh, man. Well, we have Cody's belt.
Well, we still have a couple of shots.
We have the dash packs. I don't know what's exactly supposed to be in them. Those you got if you got a box. This is what came in the box.
Where's that regular one with Agumon on it?
This.
Let's go ahead and open this.
So
you said this is the same.
Yeah, it's just a promotional pack, so they're all the same 6 cards.
Let's see what you get. Okay.
Oh, they're pretty cool.
You get an Agumon. Like a different art.
And now, this stuff was all pre-release
Leomon.
stuff, so I don't know that these certain ones are going to be available later, you know?
These are all the mons that the kids had. Yeah.
Yeah.
Those are all the ones that the kids
That's
had.
pretty cool, though.
Got them
I
on.
like them. They're
That was
cool.
cool. All right.
How do we want to do this? I figure one of it each, open one of these, and then, but how do we want to do that?
I'll just open these two.
I'm sure
So you can open. Are you wanting
We
to
can
cheer?
open this together.
What's just you
2
open?
cards per pack. We'll lay them face down and we'll each show one. Those each have one. This is the one that came in the box.
Wow.
So the box has, maybe this is what has a secret rare.
Wow. 1 and 2 each.
Yeah.
That's insane. Okay.
These are just the promotional things.
Okay, go ahead and open up your one.
This, okay.
Yeah.
But maybe with that one, yeah, we'll open it, but lay them face down, and
Okay.
we'll both show off one.
Okay.
Make it even. Make it fair.
That's fair. I didn't realize it was like that.
I didn't know how many there were in that one. But yeah, these only have 1 each. Which these, like I said, you had to buy a whole box to get these. Honestly, for that too, you had to buy a whole box. Just showing those off
Alright,
first.
you go yours first. That way I know there's no pressure on me after I see your stinky card. Puppetmon!
Rare.
Hold on.
My
hold
bad.
on.
There we go.
Yeah, you just got a rare.
You just
Darn
got
it.
a rare. I know.
Okay. Mine.
Not bad though. I mean.
I don't think mine's going to be anything. I saw like 100 or 1,000 or something like that. Oh, I take it back. It's Gabumon.
I like it.
What is he though?
He's
Rare?
a rare.
What?
I don't know what you can get out of these.
Alright, you ready to see these last?
It honestly looks like those are all you could get a super rare, but other than that, those are all you can get.
Oh, man.
So you couldn't get... I can't.
You got this open already?
No.
Alright, open it up.
Here we go.
Then we'll grab all our rares, secret rares, super rares, I should say. Don't look at those. Don't look at that.
Okay.
You're getting spoilers.
Pick one. I'll mix them up. They're smooth. They're both smooth. That's all I know.
I don't know if that's good or bad.
I know.
I guess good, right?
I guess. Okay. Who's showing first? You want to go first since I went first last time?
Ah, bummer. It's a promo Agumon, I guess.
It's cool.
This has got some rainbow on it.
Okay.
Alright, and you got Greymon. Nice.
Oh, it is rainbow. Oh, no, it is. It is.
So somehow we did not pull one secret. We gotta find that one we got out of the booster pack. Alright, well we're gonna round up the good stuff and we will reconvene here in a minute.
Yes.
Alright, we've rounded up what we thought were some of the better pulls. So Jessica, this is your pile.
So Gabumon?
Was this the alternative art?
Yeah, I think so. That's why I'm like, it's cute. Agumon? Agumon?
Charmander.
Yeah. Puppetmon? I thought that was a cool one.
We got two of those after the promo.
Skull Greymon. I thought he was pretty cool.
Anything Greymon's pretty cool.
Metal.
Seedramon.
I mean, he's a dragon.
Yeah.
Greymon.
He's a dinosaur.
Yeah, and I think he was the promo, right?
Yeah. This is
Puppetmon.
Was this the promo Puppetmon?
Yeah, I think so. Is it? It should say.
It doesn't say it, but you know it came in that
Oh,
one pack.
Could have just been rare.
Could have been.
Machinedramon. Some of these are just because they look really cool.
Yeah. Digimon's got some cool cards.
Garudamon.
Combustion.
Omnimon.
That's your last one. Did you have a favorite?
I don't know. They were all pretty cool.
They were all kind of cool, aren't they?
Yes.
Alrighty. Now for mine. I'll start by showing that we did in fact pull this guy.
Earlier today, we bought 4 booster packs.
And somehow pulled the SEC, the Security Exchange Commission,
Beelzemon.
or the Southeastern Football Conference. Agumon, cute little Birdiemon, Gabumon, other art, Gomamon, Padawan, Gadawan, another Gabumon, another Agumon. You can tell what kind of mascots they kind of favored. Leopardmon, because when I saw this, I thought it was a secret rare. And then Piedmon, like I said, Piedmon. I think it's Piedmon.
It looks like.
Probably my favorite pull outside of, you know, the original Digimons. Metal Garamon. Millenniumon. Alright guys, we switched over to our phone real quick just to end it. We got War Greymon, because how can you go wrong with War Greymon? And Piedmon. So that's it. Jessica, any closing thoughts?
No, I mean, I'm excited to try to play the game.
Yeah, like we said, if you're in the Northwest Georgia, do swing by Battlegrounds, and at least figure out when they're going to. Is it January when they're going to start?
January is when they're releasing. This was just a super pre-release to America.
To America. Yeah, it's an interesting thing. They're trying to get the Japanese cards all released here in America, but I know Battlegrounds is trying to get some people playing, so feel free to come by, at least ask about it, so you're in the know. But it's very cool. The art is really good.
It is.
And, you know, this is the base set for this game, so you're getting in on the ground up, which is super exciting. There'll be the official release in January and a expansion set in February.
Okay. I didn't know about that part.
And then we should be caught up with the Japanese cards.
Oh, okay, cool.
So I think that's it. We're exhausted. We're going to go to bed.
Yeah.
So thank you guys for watching. Let us know your favorite Digimon as a kid, your favorite pull from this video. What have you already bought?
Have you bought it? Are you going to buy it?
Yeah, exactly. So that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good one.